Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss update from Footprints.
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. My name is Sujata and welcome to our Footprints YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a very interesting activity and the name of the activity is Join the Egg. But before doing the activity, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So now let's get ready with the activity. Let me first show you what all materials we require for this activity. So we require some flashcards of numbers 1 to 5. Then we require some cutouts of egg. So I have already prepared the numbers and the cutouts so that we can do the activity, and you can also prepare this at your home. So now let's get started. So can you all tell me which is number 1? Is this number 1? No. This is not number 1. So we have to look for number 1. So where it is? There you go. This is number 1. So now what we have to do? We have to see the circles. Can we match this with these circles? It has got how many circles? 1, 2, 3. But this is number 1. So we cannot match with this circle. We have to look where the circle is only 1. So here it is. Let's try to join this. So this is number 1 and this is 1 circle. So we have completed number 1. So now can you tell me what comes after 1? After 1 comes 2. So let's look for number 2. Where is number 2? Is this number 2? No. Is this number 2? No. So where is number 2? Is this number 2? Yes, this is number 2. And what is the color of number 2? It is pink in color. Now we have to find out the other half of the egg. So let's try to find out, is this the same? Let's count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. This is 4 circles, but the number is 2. So we have to find out only 2 circles.
Are you looking for the best preschool and daycare near you? Visit Footprints and explore the program suitable for your child. Find the program links in the description box.
So let's count this. How many circles are there? 1, 2. So let's join the egg. And here you go. This is number 2. Now what comes after 2? 3. So let's find out number 3. Is this number 3? Yes, this is number 3. And now we have to match the number with their circles. So let's count the circles. 1, 2, 3. So this is also 3. That means this is the number 3 circle. So let's join the egg. And here you go. We have number 3. Now what comes after 3? Number 4. So let's see where is 4. What is this? Can you tell me which number is this? This is number 4. And what is the color of number 4? It's purple. So now let's find out where are the 4 circles. Let's see and count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is number 4. So let's match it. And here you go. Look how we have joined the egg because it is number 4. And what comes after number 4? Number 5. So let's look for number 5. So this is number 5. And number 5 is in which color? Red color. And now we will match it with the 5 circles. And let's count the circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's join the egg and match it with number 5. So wow, this is how we have done the counting also. Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this video, we have also learned some new words, which are number words of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now let's clean up and let's put all the materials back. Clean up, everybody clean up, clean up, clean up, everybody clean up. Put all your materials in the shelf. Clean up, everybody clean up. Are you all cleaning up with me also? Let's do clean up and clean our space. So hope you all enjoyed this interesting video. For more interesting activities like this, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And also, do not forget to press the bell icon to never miss any update from us.